Good morning, students. A new day with a new topic. So students, do you remember yesterday we have did plane figures like triangle, square, rectangle and circle? But today we are going to do solid figures. And what are solid figures? Solid figures are three-dimensional figures, as you can see here. And three-dimensional figures are the figures that measure in three directions. And what is the directions? Height, length, and its width. Height, length, and width. Okay, students. So, there are 5 solid figures. And the first is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. So how I made this cube? So first I have made one square, then again make one square, and then I joined their edges. Okay students, so now I will show you the object. Yes, I am having a dice and it is cube. Yes, as you can see, it is cube. Now students, we are going to write the edges, faces and vertices of this cube. And students, now I will tell you the edges. This is called the edges. As you can see, this is called the edges. Now we are going to count the edges, students. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So cube has 12 edges. Now write it down, students. 12. Now faces. Let's count the faces, students. ये होते हैं faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cube has 6 faces. So now students, we are going to write the vertices of cube. So what is vertices? Vertices is where the edges ends. Like this point to this point, this point to this point. This is called vertices. Okay students? Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cube has 8 vertices, as you can see. Okay. So now next is cuboid. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. So I have made cuboid for you, but I will tell you how I made this. So first I have made one rectangle, then another rectangle, and then I joined their edges. Okay students? So now I will show you the object. Yes, and this is cuboid. Now students, we are going to count the edges of this cuboid. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, cuboid has 12 edges. Okay, students? So now, let's count the faces. Yes? Let's count together. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. Okay students. Now let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cuboid also have 8 vertices. Now student, next is cylinder. cylinder, cylinder. Now I will show you the object. Yes, similar or not? Similar, it looks like cylinder. Yes, it is cylindrical in shape. So now we are going to count the edges of this object. So this object has 1, 2 curved edges. 2 curved edges. Okay, students? Now write it down. 2. Now let's count the faces, student. Faces. 1, 2, and this also. Curved faces. This is also curved faces. 1, 2, and this 3. The cylinder has 3 faces. And vertices? No vertices. There is no joints. Okay? So 0 vertices. Now next is cone. Cone. Now I will show you the object. Yes, this. Yes, this is cone or not? Yes, students? Okay, so now count the edges of cone. So this cone has only one edge, students. The cone has only one edges. So write it down, student. 1. So now let's count the faces. Faces is 1, and this round means curved also. This is 2. So faces is 2. So cone has 2 faces. Write it down, student. 2. Okay. This, and this round. And now the vertices. आपको कोई joints दिख रहा है student इसमें? No ना? So cone has no vertices. 0. Okay. Next is sphere. Yes, I will show you the object. This. Yes, similar or not? Similar na? Okay. So how many edges does sphere have? No edges, students. So sphere has 0 edges. Now faces. Yes, faces. 1 curved face. Round face है ना students इसका? So we are going to write 1 face. Now vertices. आपको कोई joints कुछ दिख रहा है sphere में? No ना? So 0 vertices. So I hope you got it, students.